Research is one of the prime subject that we have to study. What is the research and what is the applicability of the research in MBA? A research is a basic inquisitiveness, a mother of all knowledge. Research, search for knowledge again. Dr. C.R. Kothari has once remarked in his book Research Methodology. A research is a systematic analysis and interpretation. It is a systematic investigation of the facts while collecting the data. A research is an important and prime concern about the organization. If you want to be a manager, you have to take a proper decision but accurate decision, valid decision, because organizations are considered on the basis of functionality. There should be decisions based on the qualitative and quantitative aspect of the research. The basic objective of the research is to investigate, which is hidden. Research is not invention, it is an innovation. Innovation of all the probes and facets of one idea, which we have to be inculcated in our mind by different perspectives. And so let us study today. We are going to study about objectives of the research. See, what is the prime fundamental objective of the research, or why research?
The purpose of research is to discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedure. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. Let us study the objectives of research in detail. The first one is to adopt scientific methods of investigation and involve observable or empirical facts. The next one is to aim at describing, interpreting and explaining a phenomenon. The next one is to study purposive, systematic and critical investigation into a phenomenon. The objective of research emphasizes the development of generalization, principles or theory. It is observed that social sciences are normative to a great extent. Normative research directs towards finding answers to relevant questions and solutions to problems. And the last one is to develop new tools, concepts and theories for a better study of unknown phenomena.
A product, a business always has three dimensions: managerial dimensions, business dimensions and social dimensions. Every product in organization faced by three dimensions, and to find out the answer to these three dimensions, there must be research. Okay. Johnson and Johnson did only one thing, very simple thing. They care about mothers and at most the perception, motivation, learning, attitude and personality of social foundation. When they studied, they researched. As I would like to tell you, in the year 2020, Johnson and Johnson ranked the first primitive product in the baby because of research. Research is a continuous and indispensable part of every organization, every department, because customers are not stagnant. Market is not stagnant. Market is static. Always changes. It's dynamic. The customer's demand changes. Elasticity changes. Perspective changes. Economic pattern changes. Social dimension changes. Group behavior changes. And if you want to sustain sustain in this organization, research is a primitive task. If not,